So I wanted to address this. They said I have been for months now and no movement with specific person. So if you are affirming as if you are with your specific person right now, and you are living in the end in your mind as if you are with them now, but then you are looking out into the 3D saying, where is it? I haven't received any movement. It's been months. What do you think your subconscious mind is going to think? That you are not with your specific person right now. So you cannot affirm as if you are with your specific person right now and then looking out saying, where is it? That is two different states. You cannot be in two different states at once. The other thing that you need to realize is there are people that do not receive an ounce of movement whatsoever, and then the manifestation shows up. But what you are doing is you are way too focused on the 3D, and you are way too focused on time, and you are way too focused on the fact that you need to receive movement. That is why you are experiencing what you are experiencing now. Your only job is to embody that version of yourself who is with your specific person right now. And what do I mean by this? Ask yourself this: if I were with my specific person right now, what would I be thinking? What would I be doing with my life? How would I be feeling? You embody that state every single day. Regardless of what is going on in the 3D, it does not matter what they did to you, what they said to you, etc. If you embody that state every single day, then in time your 3D has to conform to your new thoughts and assumptions into that new state that you are embodying. So, in the meantime, you work on that self-concept, you put yourself on the pedestal, and you embody that version of yourself who has what they want right now, and watch what happens. Watch how quickly things will shift. Do not worry about anything else. I hope this helps. Follow me for more tips.